Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Garmin Instinct 2 with your iPhone. First, ensure your Garmin Instinct 2 is fully charged and powered on, ready for connection. Next, download the Garmin Connect app from your iPhone's App Store. It is essential for managing your device. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your iPhone through its settings menu to prepare for the connection. This initial setup takes just a few moments and is very straightforward. Once the Garmin Connect app is installed, open it and either create a new account or log into your existing one. Navigate to the Garmin Devices section within the app, usually found in the menu. From there, select Add Device and then choose your Instinct 2 from the list of available Garmin products. This step tells the app which specific device you intend to pair. Now, turn your attention to your Garmin Instinct 2 watch. Access the Settings menu on your watch and locate the Phone option. Within the Phone menu, select Pair Phone to activate its discoverable mode. Your watch will then display a unique 6-digit pairing code on its screen. Keep this code visible as you will need it very soon. Return to your iPhone and the Garmin Connect app. You will be prompted to enter the 6-digit code that is currently displayed on your Instinct 2 watch. Carefully input this code into the app. After entering the code, confirm the pairing request on both your iPhone and your watch. Your Garmin Instinct 2 is now successfully connected and ready to sync with your iPhone, providing all your activity data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.